Welcome to another video. It is Tuesday. I do apologize real quick before we get into the vlog. I do apologize for not doing the outro yesterday. It completely slipped my mind and it just got a little crazy yesterday. But we don't have a lot to do these next few days, but we will be posting shorts. I will update you guys on the vlogs. Maybe we'll find something to do. We can maybe do some board games or something. Yeah, we're just not going anywhere for a few days. So I'll be giving you guys content. I know tomorrow is the who would win video, so we're gonna do the who would win. We're already at 129 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. That means the world to me. You know, it may not sound like a lot to a lot of people, but we're on our way to 150 subscribers. So that's pretty, to me, that's pretty incredible. So thank you guys so much, seriously. If I seem like I'm lowering my voice a bit, it's because McKenna's sleeping. I don't want to be like all, 10 times loud and all that crazy stuff. But yeah, we've got the snowstorm coming in. The wind's really picking up. They said between like 30 and 50 mile per hour winds. Can't remember exactly, but it's a lot. So I will update you guys when we, my God, my beard, I need to trim it. I'll update you guys when McKenna's up. So yeah, keep an eye out on those shorts, and we'll update you guys in a bit. What's going on, guys? So McKenna is up. She's over here playing some Slime Rancher. Also, I found out, I did some more research on the whole cursing thing on YouTube. No. YouTube says it's okay if it slips out, but you cannot purposely be cursing to curse.
Makes sense.
Even if your audience is rated for 18 and up. And the reason for that is because if you want to get monetized, apparently they look at that stuff. So, gonna have to keep the cursing to a minimum, unfortunately. But we're gonna get ready. We're gonna get some food before the snow comes in and traps us in for 2 to 3 days. So, right? Because that's what's gonna happen. Is we're gonna be in for like 2 to 3 days. Right, baby? Alright. I'm gonna help her get stuff cleaned up, and I'll update you guys when we're out in the car. All right, guys, we are out in the car right now. Yeah, it's looking like it's coming in. So we're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna be trapped in.
Still figuring out where we're gonna get food from.
Yeah, and then we're gonna be trapped in for 2 to 3 days. So, how many days do you think we'll be trapped in?
2 or 3.
2 or 3?
If that. Maybe 2.
Yeah. You don't think it'll be more?
I
kind of like the idea of being trapped in on the snows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you. All right, guys.
Your angle is weird.
Yeah, I know.
Why are you angling it so weird?
It's because I'm trying to hold it. There we go.
There you go.
That's better. So we're gonna go figure out what we want to eat. Yeah. Again, today this vlog might be a little short, but I'm gonna try to make up for it with shorts coming every day. I'm gonna try to get you guys some funny stuff. Yeah.
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 Okay. We'll see you guys in a minute.
Nope.
All right. We're at Taco Juan's.
Taco Juan's.
Taco John's, essentially. We're gonna get some food here. It looked like in the mountains the snow was coming over. The mountains were completely, what was it, like?
You can't see the mountains right now.
Yeah, that's just because it's snow. I don't think it'll be that bad. Yeah, I'm kidding. I've never seen 8 to 12 inches of snow, so I don't know how bad that really is. I saw 2 inches, and I was like, well, that's a lot. And then 8 to 12, it's like, we'll see. So, all right, well, we'll update you guys when we get back to the apartment. That is what the mountains look like right now, guys. Isn't that insane? It's pretty cool, actually. And that's the snow coming towards us, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, well, we'll update you guys when we're back at the apartment. All right, guys, we're back. We are, I guess, trying Netflix next, yeah?
Yeah.
You must have to, yeah, go ahead. We're gonna try and find a movie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, I will update you guys when it starts to snow. It seems like it'll be coming in here in a few hours, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we are back in. We've got some dinner. We're watching some of the Lorax. So the winter storm that we just were notified about earlier, like yesterday, has now turned into a blizzard, is what they're saying. So, yeah. So, we may drop out connection a little bit here and there. So if you guys do not see the posts at around the same times that they typically are, that's why. It's just the weather. Other than that, I mean,
Wish us luck.
wish us luck on it. It's going to be interesting for sure. If the posts do not, honestly, I don't even know if I can get this post out.
We'll see.
If you guys are seeing this post, it means we could upload it. If not, well,
they'll see it eventually.
they'll see it eventually. But what I'm going to go ahead and do, honestly, I'm going to wait a little longer, and I'm going to end the video.
Okay.
So I can get this post out.
Okay.
If we can, I might do a secondary vlog, just in case we can post it. You know what I mean?
Whiteout conditions.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
So, what we could probably do is, well, I could probably get a secondary vlog out if possible. You know what I mean?
Alright.
So yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll get this video posted. I'll end it here in a little bit. Once the snow starts, I'll get it uploaded for you guys, and then we'll go from there. Wish us luck, guys. You guys will definitely see this vlog. I will have it posted before the storm
It's just
hits.
whether or not the vlog after that you see
the
next day or 2 days
right.
later.
Well, and see, here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and do that second part for you guys tonight. Hopefully we can, get it uploaded.
Bless you. Jesus.
Jesus. All right, guys. With that being said, if you guys liked the content today, I know it was a shorter vlog. We'll have a part 2, hopefully. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Only 23% of you are subscribed. And most of you come back to watch the videos. It makes life so much easier if you guys just subscribe, because you can also get notified of future videos or content that we post. Reminder, tomorrow is the Who Would Win video. We are starting those back up.
If we can post.
If we can post. Again, if we can post.
If we can post.
Disclaimer.
If we can post.
A big if right now, because I have never been through a blizzard. She's been through one, but from what I hear is it can get pretty gnarly. So, with that being said, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, links are in the description. And we hope you guys have a bear-tastic day. Wish us luck.